Well, howdy folks, welcome back to Learning Lost Skills. Yesterday I had just a fantastic day out hunting morels. You know, springtime here, great time of the year. Got morels are up, ramps, fiddleheads, quite a few other things, a few other mushrooms. Plenty to get out in the woods for. And it's a great day to do it. Now yesterday after I got home, I fired up my smoker. You know what happens when you fire up a smoker? You get neighbors stopping by. You know, stick around to the end, you'll meet my neighbor. He's just an incredible cook when it comes to smoking foods. Great guy. But anyway, we hope to earn your subscription. Please stick around to the end, and if you don't, you're only going to find pheasantbacks this year, no morels. So, best stick around. Gentle slice. Careful with your hand. A little bit of jalapeno. A little sausage. And of course the bacon. Skewer the end. That sausage is nice and warm. You can mold it right in there real easy, real simple. But if you try to do this with cold sausage, you're going to have a little bit of a fight. So set that sausage out for a couple hours. And if the mushroom is too delicate, just wrap one side, flip it over, wrap it across, and just swap hands as you wrap. You'll get some morels that are just almost falling apart. And that's it. Swap hand to hand if it's delicate. Okay, we're going to get these babies on the smoke. We'll see you in a few hours. Okay folks, we got the stuffed morels loaded up, we got the smoke rolling, everything's looking pretty good for right now. We got some good mulberry wood cooking on there. We're going to stop back in, say 3.5 hours. I'll tend the fire until then. We'll see you soon. It's been about 3.5 hours. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's looking mighty tasty. Let these cool for a few minutes. We'll be right back. Alright, good to go. So we're gonna try out. First time ever trying morels.
Yeah. I'm gonna try, let's see, maybe this
right there.
Here. Go
sausage.
Go ahead. This is yours.
It's an Italian sausage, a little bit of jalapeno, wrapped around a morel.
So you can see the morels in there. Oh, jeez. That was good stuff.
Nice mulberry wood flavor.
Cheers. I just got to be able to get these all year round.
I'm trying to grow them
So
right
good.
now. I've got several spores started.
All right.
But I don't know if it can be done.
I'll do one more small one. I don't want to eat you out of house at home.
Well, they're done growing for the year. This is the end of the morels.
Right. Can you can them or anything? Or are they not as good
Can't
canned?
freeze them.
Yeah. Wow, that's good. Bacon's perfect. It's not too crispy. It's not too chewy. Sausage, good flavor. Yep. Sold.
Thank you.
I like those. Good job, Steve.
Thank you.